Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for April 28th and 29th, 2018, the weekend outlook. And we're going to start off the weekend with partly cloudy skies and mild conditions. Area low pressure is going to be off to the north, and there's going to be a cold front approaching this afternoon. It's going to bring a line of showers through the area, at least western areas during the afternoon hours, and then late afternoon and early evening for areas farther east as this comes through. This does not look like a big deal, and it's not going to be a big deal. But it will ruin the perfect day as far as temperatures and sky conditions are concerned. So you're going to start getting an increase in clouds when those showers start approaching from the west. And I can't rule out some embedded thunder with that too. But I think largely we're just dealing with showers into this evening. You see that line moving eastward. Getting a look at the NAM high-res future simulated radar at 3 p.m. Here's a line of showers. Might be some embedded thunder with it. This is 3 p.m. So you see it's reaching our western counties at this point. It's going to continue eastward and bring that line of showers through eastern PA. This is 5 p.m. This is 6 p.m. So for our far eastern areas of Pennsylvania, we'll get into it around just after around dinner time, I should say, and then we have those showers move into New Jersey. This is probably just clutter behind us. I don't think you're going to have a lot behind the front itself. The front at this point is actually right like this. So this would have to form behind the front. That is a possibility, but I think it's mainly the main line is actually out ahead of it out here, and that's going to be ahead of the frontal boundary. And then once that comes through, it's like an hour or maybe 2 hours of duration of rainfall. This is now looking at 9 p.m. You can see where that front is here at this point. So I don't think it's going to be a real big deal. Mainly the evening for eastern areas, mid to late afternoon for our Pennsylvania county. So that's what you're looking for today. Otherwise, we're partly cloudy, and temperatures are going to be upper 60s to lower 70s across the region. Very nice day for your Saturdays. Move into Sunday, we are going to have the trough, the upper level trough move in through over the area. Is going to be noticeably colder. Matter of fact, it's going to be about 15 degrees colder on Sunday. The good thing about this cold shot is it's not going to last very long. This is very transient, and in large part due to a couple things. High pressure moving into the Ohio Valley that's going to dry us out. So Sunday is going to turn out to be we'll call it partly to mostly cloudy. There was a chance for mostly cloudy skies farther north with this system still lurking. It's the same system that's going to come through on Saturday afternoon. It's going to move up into New England and kind of just meander there a little bit before it finally pulls east on Monday out in this direction. But this high pressure being in this position, the trough settling, the combination of the two will bring in colder temperatures on Sunday and a northwesterly wind. So we're going to have temperatures that are going to be stuck in the 50s everywhere across the coverage area on Sunday. So it'll be noticeably cooler, about 15 degrees cooler than Saturday. And then as we move forward from this point and get to Monday, still off to our southwest here on Monday. Here's your high pressure settled right here. So we are going to have mostly sunny skies that we're expecting, partly mostly sunny skies, but still winds coming in from the west-northwest. So it's going to be warmer than Sunday, probably by about 8 degrees or so, but it's still going to be on the cool side compared to what we should be for this time of year. Slightly cooler than average here on Monday, in spite of the sunshine expected. And then once we get into Tuesday, we change fortune a little bit because we have high pressure settling off to our south and east. That gets winds in from the west-southwest now on Tuesday. So we're going to get temperatures well into the 70s for many areas. Again, mostly sunny skies on Tuesday. By the time we get to Wednesday, the flow is going to be starting to come in from the southwest now. Now we're going to get temperatures well into the 80s on Wednesday, Thursday, and we think on Friday too. It's going to be 10 on the timing of the front that's going to be coming on Friday. Here's a look at Wednesday. Here's a look at Thursday, here's a look at Thursday. The European model is trying to send some showers out ahead of this. It does not have any support for that, so we're going to ignore this for now. Looks like just a partly cloudy day here on Thursday, and then the actual cold front is going to be approaching after this point. And here's Friday. Here's your cold front coming through, scattered showers and thunderstorms. That'll be later on the day on Friday. It looks like if this comes in any earlier in the day, though, it will keep temperatures from getting to the 80-degree mark for the third straight day. Some areas, especially on Thursday, especially down here by Philadelphia, will be well into the 80s to the point where you're going to be flirting with 90, actually. It's going to be pretty close. We have a forecast high in Philadelphia on Thursday of 88 degrees, so it's going to be very, very warm and sticky. We think over that 3-day stretch. And then once we get this front to come through, it's a cold front, but it's not going to get us cold. It's going to get us back down to near average. So we're going to have temperatures going back down to near 70 or thereabout, within a few degrees of 70. And upper 60s, low 70s kind of thing for the several days that follow that. Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for the weekend, April 28th and 29th, 2018. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.